What's the meaning of chat? Chat. Chat.
Chat. Chat. Chat refers to a form of communication between two or more people over the internet or through messaging apps. It involves sending and receiving text messages in real time to engage in conversation. The purpose of chat varies from person to person. It can be used for casual conversation, business communication, or even as a customer support tool. Chat has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its convenience and ease of use. It enables people to stay connected with each other no matter where they are in the world, making the world a smaller place.